Take a look at this channel. Many children all around the world love watching this content. It features colorful animations, catchy songs, and themes that young kids can relate to. Children enjoy it so much that it gets billions of views every month, which is why channels like this are considered the perfect project for making money online. I mean, check this out. Through ad revenue alone, this channel easily makes $7 million a month. Creating content like this 2 years ago was difficult and required a lot of effort. You had to write songs, create scripts, and animate the visuals, but now you can do it all easily with AI. This video you're watching now took me only 5 minutes to make and cost me nothing. So watch the video until the end because there's a surprise and a gift for you at the end. Stay focused, and let's get started. The first thing we start with is the video idea. If you don't have one in mind, you can ask for help. I'll use ChatGPT and ask it to give me some ideas for an animated song video for kids. I like this idea, so I'll ask ChatGPT to write the script and lyrics for the song. Now, I'll ask it to write a description for each scene, and I always make sure to include the full setting details in each description because a video generator might forget them. Now it's time to generate the video clips. There are many tools for turning text into video, and all of them have high-quality options, both free and paid. But today, we'll use Hyper AI, which is a great free tool to convert text into video or even turn images into video. After you register on the website, you'll get to this interface. Here, paste the text you copied from ChatGPT. From here, adjust the generation settings, make them like mine, and then click Generate. Sometimes it might take a while to generate the video when many people are using the free version. We can queue up to 3 items, so let's copy the other descriptions and generate them now. This might take some time, so let's speed things up and check out the results. The clips look perfect, so download them. Now we need a song, so let's go to the song generator. Suno AI. If you can't sing, play instruments, or write songs, this tool is perfect. Okay, click Create, copy the song lyrics from ChatGPT, and paste them here. Then, click Generate and wait. As you can see, it generated 2 songs. Let's listen to them.
On a farm where the grass grows wild and free, lived a bunch of critters in harmony. They sang all night under the big old tree.
On a farm where the grass grows wild and free, lived a bunch of critters in harmony. They sang all night under the big old tree.
The second one sounds better, so I'll download it. Now that we have the resources we need, let's put everything together using a video editor. I'll use CapCut, upload the clips and the music. Now let's match the clips with the song. adjust the colors, and enhance the video quality like this. Then, add transitions between scenes. Once everything is finished, download the video to your device in 4K or 2K resolution. Now, let's see the result.
On a farm where the grass grows wild and free, lived a bunch of critters in harmony. They sang all night under the big old tree. Ain't no place they'd rather be. There was a cow with a moose so deep and low. Piglets pranced in a perfect little row. Chickens clucked like they were in a show, all in sync with the moon's soft glow. The farm animals so deep and low. Piglets pranced in a perfect little row. Chickens clucked like they were in a show, all in sync with the moon's soft glow.
What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to watch this video to learn how to make money on YouTube using ChatGPT. I've also put together a file with the best ways to increase your channel's views, which you can find on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates.